realize how much until you start traveling around the city. That's what we're here for.
If you watch us, make sure you subscribe, like, you comment on this video for you to have more updates as we proceed. Thank you.
Las Vegas is on the cutting edge of technology. If you want to stay ahead of the game, you got to stay ahead of Las Vegas because we are on top.
Automation, so that's like with cars, also robots. We're also in security and even drones, dealing with going into like caves and mapping cave structures. And those are the point clouds that you see. So every little point there is a structured XY coordinate. And if you actually look at our toolkit, you can actually spin this in real time and see everything moving in real time. So it's just a structured 3D image.
Basically, your product is what kind of consumer you are targeting?
So we go automation, so that's like with cars, also robots. We're also in security and even drones, dealing with going into like caves and mapping cave structures. And so it's a vast market of fields that where you're trying to capture a 3D object and bring it into real time.
Oh, awesome. So it's all about 3D technology?
It's capturing your world.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
So I could see a car.
Yes.
What's that? What's the car for?
The car helps you to map into the automotive class. The automation automotive class. How's that? So basically, you have the sensors up on top, so you can monitor the driving area around you.
Awesome. So how can our viewers, how can they reach your company so they could access it?
Actually, you will see great videos on YouTube, or just go to our website, which is ouster.com.
Awesome. Nice talking with you.
Yeah.
My name is Ken. And what's your name?
It's Sean.
Oh, nice talking with you.
All right, take care. But come here, I'm gonna show you this other one. This is like a really cool. Yeah, I know. Interesting conversation. So this is a quick little graphic on your ability to identify what you want to focus on. If you want to send out a drone, you can define its flight path and say, look at these points here. These are points of interest, POI. And then you can have your drone fly out on a preset route, and this is identifying what that route would be. And then it will fly completely autonomously, so and go to those points so it can examine those features that you need to assess the bridge. In this case, a bridge, right? So this is really cool. But I'm going to show you around the corner here. So this is actually in San Francisco, driving down the streets with the car, and it actually capturing the environment around you. We have a great shot of going down Lombard Street. You can see all the houses and the street itself. But here's our strongest sensor, and since it goes to the furthest distance. And right now it's right in the center of the conference hall, but it's looking past these windows out into the other rooms, way past the view. This top strip right here, that's our visual indicator. So this is basically what the camera sees. This is basically showing IR reflectivity, and then this area shows us the actual structure point map, the point cloud.
Awesome.
So when you look for LiDAR, you want to look for how tight these beams are, how quick you're getting action, with the fastest refresh cycle, right? And stability of these dots, how much are they dancing? And that also shows you how strong or how powerful a system is designed.
Cool.
And these Ousters, how long have they been in existence?
Probably 4 years, maybe. I should check that one because there's been previous experience in the field, and they came in and brought into Ouster from that experience.
And
so I don't know when you want to start timeline.
And your head office is in
San Francisco.
San Francisco in California, right? Nice talking with you.
Once again, take care.
If you watch us, make sure you subscribe, like, you comment on this video for you to have more updates as we proceed. Thank you. Make sure you subscribe, like, you comment on this video for you to have more updates as we proceed. Thank you.